Hey guys, Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be completely different guys, not the usual stuff that I unbox and show it to you people on our channel. So thing is, Steelbird has recently reached out to me and said, hey Vimal, we are launching a brand new helmet in the Indian market and wanted you to cover on your channel. And I was also like, array, new helmet. People keep looking to buy helmets, right, for their bike, especially because I'm a big bike fanatic guys. I have like a couple of bike collection and lots of bike accessories also. So I thought people might be quite interested in this, and that is the reason I'm making this video. So this is not a regular helmet guys, it's a special 2-in-1 multi-season helmet and comes with like a lot of detachable accessories on board. You have like anti-fog visor, you have a detachable neck curtain, so you can even use it in like winter season also, and comes in a beautiful paint job guys. Model is Steelbird SA2 and this is what I'll unbox and show it to you in this video. So the helmet comes in this sort of box packaging guys. You got the Steelbird helmet branding over here. Very simple packaging guys, nothing much written on it. So let's quickly get started with the unboxing part. So in the package guys, our brand new helmet comes packed like this, and along with that we also have an accessory box over here that says summer interior. We'll get back to this in a moment guys. And there you go, our brand new Steelbird helmet guys, comes nicely packed in this carry case. You have the aeronautics branding over here, and that's it, nothing else in the package. So first let's check out this accessories box guys. It says summer interior over here. I believe it is some sort of like cushioning and fabric made for like summer weather. I've told you now, this is like a 2-in-1 helmet, so you can change the accessories on it depending on the season and weather. So there you go guys, these are the extra set of cushions you got in the accessory box. So basically this is like the summer wear guys. So the whole thing has like a fabric finish with lot of breathable pores on it and lets you have like a better airflow and all that in the helmet, and made for like summer use. And I believe you have like the winter edition, maybe like made of artificial leather or something like that, pre-installed on the helmet. So we'll quickly check out the helmet now. So there you go guys, our brand new Steelbird SA2 helmet aeronautic series. Oh, looks like they've sent us a neon color. Oh, wow. Look at this thing. Beautiful, right? They've sent us a glossy black and neon edition color, guys, and looks fantastic. Just look at the finishing on this thing. Absolutely beautiful, right? Looks very stylish. And look at the aerodynamic design, guys. Beautiful. So what I'll do is I'll give you a closer look at the helmet and talk about the design, build quality, interiors and all that stuff. The SA2 Villain is Steelbird's newest model in their aeronautic series and comes in a lot of colors and variants. We have the glossy black and neon edition, and let me tell you, this thing looks gorgeous guys. I mean, just look at it. Complete Italian design, and I've told you right, it's a 2-in-1 model made for both summer and winter use and comes with a detachable neck curtain. Now this can be like very useful for bikers, especially in winter season, as it will keep you warm and prevents dust also from entering inside the helmet. Good fabric material they've used. The exterior is a waterproof material while the interior is made of cloth. And best part is it's also detachable. So in case if you don't want to use it, you can easily remove it using the zipper. Anyways, let me just put on the helmet and show you how it looks like. Now this thing is available in multiple head sizes depending on your requirement and fits perfectly on my head. Despite being a full face helmet, it's actually quite compact. Love the new design and look at that aerodynamic shape. A couple of air intakes available on the front, one on the chin, on the forehead and also at the top. And I have to appreciate that artwork on it. The graphics on the helmet guys, very funky, and the neon gives you that sporty vibe while riding. Steelbird did a great job with the paintwork. Beautiful glossy finish, and overall build quality of the helmet is very nice. The shell is made of ABS material and Steelbird says that it's 100% high impact resistant. And good thing is the helmet is also ISI certified, BIS rated and follows all European safety standards. So it's quite safe helmet for the price point. As you can see, you're getting a good protection for your chin, head and the neck area as well. Now coming to the visor, Well, this one comes with a scratch resistant polycarbonate visor and also has an anti fog shield pre installed on the inside. So you can ride worry free during early mornings or even during winters. And the visor also supports a quick release mechanism so you can replace it anytime, anywhere. Alright, now let me tell you about the comfort and my experience using it. The new SA2 has a snug fit, guys, no loose movements or gaps anywhere, plenty of cushioning on the inside, so feels quite comfortable while wearing. By default, you have a velvet sort of fabric cushions on the helmet, suitable for winter season, and if you want, you can easily replace them with the summer cushions also that you got in the package, and those actually have like a breathable pores on them for better air circulation. Now, guys, I'm not a pro biker or moto enthusiast, but still, let me share you my thoughts and feedback on this model. Helmet feels quite comfortable for long rides. I've been using it for all my city rides since the past few days. It's around 1.3 to 1.4 kgs. There's enough space to fit in your specs or goggles, not an issue at all. And thanks to those air intakes, there was decent amount of air circulation happening on the inside. But I'd still advise you to switch to summer paddings because it was getting quite hot and sweaty on the inside with the default padding that came with the helmet. One thing I liked on it is the whole cushioning and padding can be easily removed and they're also washable. So Steelbird definitely gave a thought to the hygiene, which I really appreciate. Also, there's plenty of space on the inside, so you can easily fit any of your Bluetooth kit accessories or intercom accessories comfortably in the helmet. They did keep that in mind while designing this model. Now lastly, just like any other helmet, even this one has a quick release micrometric buckle that was doing a fine job, but felt it could have had a slightly better build quality. So that is pretty much it, guys. My video on the Steelbird SA2 Glossy Villain 2 in 1 edition. Beautiful looking helmet, definitely a head turner on the road, comfortable, safety measures also checked, and multi-weather suitable. Only thing I felt about this model is the price is slightly on the expensive side. It's available at 4,499 rupees. I'll leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So what do you people think about this model? Let me know in the comment section down below. Well, that's it for today. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.